Today, we're going to be talking about social media and how our team uses social media to our advantage. When social media comes to most people's minds, the first thing that they think of is influencers taking cute pictures in Palm Springs and eating hair growth vitamins that while they're wearing custom Gucci. But in reality, social media can actually be a tool that's used for marketing and promotion when it comes to first, our team, and most importantly, recognizing our sponsors. There are loads of ways to brand your team in order to reach more people. But one of the main ways you can do this is by using social media sites like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok. And in this seminar, we'll be going through the main social media channels that our team uses and how we use them. If you're interested in becoming the social media captain of our team, then this video is perfect for you. So just forget about the Charlie D'Amelios and the Nikita Dragons of the internet for a quick second, and let's talk about how we can use social media to brand and promote our team. Many underestimate the power of a good social media presence. One reason that using social media is really important is because it's one of the main ways that we can promote our team and make sure that we're visible and unique. We have over 1,000 followers on Instagram and 700 followers on Twitter. On top of this, we use our public Facebook page that has over 430 likes. So it's clear that we already have a strong social media presence that can only be enhanced from now. So because of this, by promoting through our channels, we're able to reach people that may not normally have known about FIRST or about how FIRST teams work. This becomes especially helpful when we're planning to have in-school and community events, like our Hour of Code workshop and the League of Learning conference.
We are able to promote out to the general public through Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. We reach people who we normally wouldn't. So, one reason that having a strong social media presence is important is because we are able to reach out to the general public and further the brand of our team by promoting to people who aren't already in the FIRST social circle. This can lead to new members, sponsorships, and more opportunities for our team. Second reason why using social media to your advantage is crucial is because it is the main way we stay in contact with other FIRST teams and STEM organizations in our community. As an FRC team, we always want to make sure that we are exemplifying the values of FIRST. And two of these values are community engagement and collaboration. So we want to make sure that we stay in contact with other teams in our area.
This can be done by mentoring FLL teams when possible, participating on other teams' events and initiatives, and asking other teams to lead with us. For example, because we're in close proximity to Western University, we often use the engineering building for build sessions and to work alongside Team 4814 when possible. This has helped us build and maintain a relationship, and we will continuously post about their initiatives online and partake in them. So this is just one example of how having a presence on social media helps us maintain and build relationships with other FIRST teams, which ultimately reflects the core values of FIRST.
Alright, so hi everyone. We're here with Mehin Fatima, who is the former social media captain and current mentor of FIRST Robotics Team 1570. Mehin, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me.
Alright, so let's start with a little history about you and joining the team. So, how did you initially get involved with the team and how did you become social media captain?
So I got involved with FIRST at the beginning of grade 11 because I had friends who were already on the team, such as Kate Robinson, who later became the co-captain of the team, and I thought it looked pretty cool.
So, did you just join right away?
Oh no, not at all. It took me a while. I remember going into room 129 and Mr. McKay spoke to me and he was like, "You should join robotics." So it was really his enthusiasm and passion for the team that made me want to join.
That's actually really cool that you got inspired by your friends and McKay to join. So, how did you become social media captain? Because, correct me if I'm wrong, but you became the captain the same year you joined, right?
Yeah, that's right. I was only on the team for 3 or 4 months at that point.
Wow, that's really impressive. So, how did that happen?
Thank you. I became captain so quickly because I learned a lot from my mentor, Charlotte LaBelle, who was the previous social media captain. So she had graduated the year before, so the spot was vacant. Since she taught me so much beforehand in such a short time, I got the role.
That is awesome. Well, congratulations. So, what kind of things did Charlotte teach you, and like what were kind of your roles and responsibilities as a social media captain?
So Charlotte taught me how to schedule Instagram posts, photograph and capture live events, and communicate with other teams online. What I loved about the role was that there wasn't necessarily like day-to-day tasks. It was more spontaneous and flexible. I would regularly post to our socials such as Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Facebook, and my role would get a lot more busy during build season though.
Oh, busy during build season. How come? What was special about your role then?
Well, I would have to capture candid moments of our team building the robot, and at all the competitions we went to. So I was also designated like the camera person for all of the videos we made, like chairmans and various grants.
Yeah, that's really, really cool. So, what advice would you maybe have for younger members that want to take on the role of social media captain?
Well, first off, I'd probably say to make sure that you have good communication skills. You often have to talk to other teams both in person and online, so it's good to maintain a relationship with them. And you probably should already have some interest or experience in videography or photography, because otherwise I wouldn't say it's worth it.
Right. Well, it looks like a really fulfilling role. Miheen, thank you so much for taking time out of your schedule to speak to us. So, where can people find you in your photography?
My pleasure. And funny you should ask, feel free to DM me at maheen.photo on Instagram to book a photo shoot.
Sounds good. See you guys later.
Thanks. Bye.